Hey guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Xbox error code. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to repair and reset Xbox. So for that you need to enter into your settings. Over there please enter into apps and then installed apps. Please locate Xbox at the right side three dot icon. Enter into the advanced option. Please scroll down, you may see repair and reset. Please do one by one. So our second step is to clear Microsoft Store cache. For that you need to press Windows R and then type wreset.exe. So once you type it, redirect to you to the Microsoft account and it automatically reset, and please have some patience to wait on it until it reset. So our third step is to start required Xbox services. For that you need to press Windows R and then type services.msc and then hit OK. Over there please click background intelligent and enter into the properties and make it as automatic and please start and apply and then click OK. Please make sure it's in running condition. After that enter into the Microsoft Store install service, make it as manual and then start. Yeah, the service status is running and then please click OK. Then please scroll down, you may see the gaming app services. Please enter into the properties, make it as manual and then start it and then click apply and then click OK. So guys, please make sure the status is in running condition. The same as Xbox Live Auth, make it as start. Yeah, the service status is now it's in running condition. Click apply and then click OK. Yeah, most of the things are stopped, so you need to make the service status as running. So over there you may see the service status is stopped. So what you need to do is you need to start it and then click apply and then click OK. Our fourth step is to restart your PC. Please restart your PC and check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, follow the fifth step. Our fifth step is to reinstall the gaming service. For that you need to enter into the Windows PowerShell as run as administrator mode and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. Once you paste it, it redirect to you the Microsoft account to install the gaming services, because our first prompt is to uninstall the gaming services and our second prompt is to install the gaming services newly. Yeah, it's installing. Yeah, once it installed, please close the Microsoft Store and as well as the PowerShell. And our sixth step is to reinstall Xbox application. For that also you need to enter into the PowerShell and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there and hit enter and then type exit to exit from PowerShell. So our seventh step is to repair Windows system file. For that you need to enter into command prompt as run as administrator mode and please copy the prompt in the description and please do have some patience to wait on it because it needs to load from 0 to 100. I am just speeding up the video, but it will take 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's done, please copy the second prompt for the CMD and paste it over there and hit enter. It also need to load from 0 to 100. It will take almost like 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, once it's done, please close it or type exit to exit. And our eighth step is to update Windows. For that you need to enter into the Windows update and then please click check for update. If it have any troubleshoot, please check out my other video to troubleshoot the Windows update error. Ninth step is to repair and reset gaming services. For that you need to enter into the settings and then apps and then installed apps. Over there please type gaming service. Please enter into the advanced option on the three dot icon, and then please scroll down. You may see repair and reset. Please do repair and reset one by one. Yeah. So our 10th step is to change Xbox game. For that you need to enter into the settings and then system. Please scroll down. You may see some storage. Please enter into the storage and enter into the advanced storage settings. Please scroll down and you may see what's new content is saved. Sorry, where's new content is saved. So make it as your new drive and please click apply. Our 11th step is to reset Microsoft completely. For that you need to enter into your Windows PowerShell again as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. So once it's done, I hope you need to restart your system, and I hope the issue will be solved. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more